Hey, it's dietitian Jacqueline. You're not going to want to miss this better than takeout beef stir fry. Mm.
Aside from this being super delicious, it's such a weeknight savior. Stir fries are quick, they're easy, they're customizable, and typically you only need one pan. For our sauce, we have soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, a little honey, cornstarch to thicken it up, and some red pepper flakes for a little heat. And now for our sirloin, just slice that up against the grain, and we're going to be setting that aside while we cook up our veggies. I love having everything cut up ahead of time. It makes the cooking process so much easier. And now you just cook and go, add everything to your pan. It's a stir fry, right? So you're just sauteing everything up. We have our broccoli and all our delicious veggies, our garlic. Now our beef goes back in. The sauce goes in. It's going to thicken up pretty quickly. So just give that a couple of minutes. I'm just going to top mine with some sesame seeds and sliced scallions. I'm just serving mine alongside some jasmine rice. Enjoy.